Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click on subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give this a huge thumbs up. Today guys, we are building the Barbie Mansion house. The Barbie Mansion house.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
I just said that.
I know, but I'm gonna say it again. It is Kiara and Sophia here, and we are building a Barbie dream house because we decided instead of building a regular gingerbread house, a Barbie dream house, right?
That's why I mean mansion house. I forgot.
So we are building a Barbie dream house. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up,
give us 1 million. No, 10,000.
Well, 1 million is better. 1 million is more than 10,000.
Oh yes. How about we do 10 million?
10 million thumbs up.
Yes, 10 million thumbs up
for this video. Sophia and I vlog, and we do what other type of videos do we do?
We
mommy videos. We like to shop.
We like to do makeup.
Oh yeah.
Like when I was like 3 years old, you letting me use your makeup, like only the makeup that you didn't use.
Yeah, so we like doing that.
And doing morning routines.
Yes, we love doing all sorts of mommy and daughter stuff. You're not in the camera no more. We love doing all of that. So make sure you subscribe. Again, give us a big thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get into the video.
Ooh. This is good that they have all this stuff that we use. I thought we would have to buy.
Yeah, so what is this? Ready to use icing, pink icing.
And white icing.
White icing. We got this.
Blue icing or something?
I think. And then we got the candies.
And we got candy. And then the gingerbread stuff.
And then the house, the cookie house. So hopefully,
I think we use this for the...
yeah. Okay, this is the instructions. So it does have the instructions on the back.
Yeah.
So we just gotta see what we gotta do. So let's leave it standing right there. So.
Can I do it?
Okay, we're just gonna put one flower box.
Okay,
You wanna put this flower box right here? Yeah, just gonna put it more. Okay.
Okay, where else?
Right there.
Well, when are they coming?
Oh, they're still shopping.
Oh.
So, oh my God. So there is our Barbie dream house.
We're going to end the vlog here, just kidding.
So now I'm gonna let Sophia crazy self decorate. She been feeding the dude. Don't knock it down again, please.
Promise.
You don't have to push it.
It's a big one. Give me a plastic.
I'm giving you one of yours.
Yes.
Ooh. It's so pretty, huh? The color pink.
Yeah, I like pink. You too like pink.
Mm-hmm. Are you having fun?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Still putting on some Christmas music, huh?
Yes. For Christmas juice.
Okay. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.
So we're finally done with our gingerbread man.
And this is what he looks like, our gingerbread house. So we really hope you all enjoy watching this video with us. Give us a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And we see you all in our next video very, very soon. Bye.